Yo, what is up guys? My name is PyroTronix and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this package from PyroHub shop, which is a very new shop indeed. I'll leave a link somewhere up on the screen. Anyway, this is something that I've been looking forward to in quite some time. It has a lot of different chemicals, including some that I never thought I would ever have. But here it is, and I am super excited. And yes, the stuff inside this is perfectly legal. Let's just get this thing open, shall we? We got the knife. This knife is super sharp. It should be no problem cutting through this tape. One thing to mention is that the guys over at PyroHub, they added in some extra stuff that I have no clue what is. So I am very excited. I can't wait to see what it is. This feels like Christmas. Let's just cut down along this tape and we should be in. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. There's everything in here. We got the fuse. Oh, this is so cool. I can't believe this. Look at all this stuff. Alright, so this is some of the stuff that I ordered. This is just some ordinary fuse. I've been in need of fuse for so long. I don't know about you guys, but this doesn't get any better. We even got the time fuse, and there's more to come, guys. I'm speechless. Alright, let's put the fuse aside. I'll show everything in more detail once it's all out of the box. But let's just pick the next item. Okay, what do we have here? There's a lot of metal dust on all these things. That just confirms that this is no scam. This is the real stuff. Is this in Polish? I think that's in Polish. I'm not quite sure. My guess is that it is some sort of metal powder. Oh, now I know. This is magnesium. Oh wait, this is not magnesium. This is some sort of oxidizer. I totally messed this up. This is not magnesium. Judging by the Struntu, this must be strontium nitrate. This can be used in a lot of red compositions and even in some exotic flash powders. What else do we have? We got some aluminium manganese. I don't know if I pronounced that correct. Yeah, well, that's the magnesium that I was talking about. Very nice. Here's the big bag. Ooh. This is the big bag. This is magnesium powder. This is 1 kilogram of magnesium powder. This thing is heavy. There's a lot of magnesium here. Now we're getting to the bottom. Ooh, we got some tubes. They'll definitely come in handy. Thank you, PyroHub. Alright, what else? Gloves? Well, yeah, these aren't really meant for pyro. I'll use these from now on. Alright, and here's the last bag. I don't know what this could be. There's what is this? This is what I think it is. I don't know why you would include these. Thanks, I guess. I don't smoke. Let's just put these aside. Okay, so this is the last thing that we got, and it's in a bag. It makes me wonder what it could be. Maybe that's where all that powder came from. There's so much powder in this box. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, wait, what is this? Some metal powder. I'll get everything lined up, and a big thanks goes out to the PyroHub guys. This was awesome. This is something that I've been in need of for so long. So be sure to go check those guys out. They have literally everything. I'm sure you'll find something that you could use. I'll see you in a second when I've got all of this ready. Alright, so here's all of the stuff laid out. Let's just begin over here with the fuse. So this is some high quality visco fuse. I got 2 of these 10-meter rolls. They look a bit different. Like this looks a bit thinner. I'm not sure if it really is. But anyway, then we got these tubes. This is a nice bonus. You can never have too many tubes. And then I got 1 meter of this brick Ford fuse. Isn't that how you say it? This is also known as time fuse. Here we have strontium nitrate, 250 grams. This will make some nice red colors. Alright, what is this? Oh yeah, this is the magnesium. Also 250 grams. This will definitely be useful in many different compositions. Moving on, I got magnesium powder, 1 kilogram. I used to grind magnesium from these tiny metal rods made of magnesium metal, and that would take so long. So I'm so glad I have this bag. This will make my life so much easier. I think that was one of the things that the Pyric guys added, because I don't remember ordering this stuff. And lastly, I got 2 pairs of these safety gloves. As you can see, they're high quality. These will be very handy. And just look at these gloves. They were brand new. And now they're covered in like this metal dust. And let's not forget this. I still don't know why this was in my box, but oh well. I think that rounds off the video. This was a lot of fun and I can't wait to test this. This has always been the dream. If you enjoyed this as much as I did, then please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. I'll try and upload some more videos soon. I know I've not been that active, but hopefully that will change. I have a lot of videos in queue, which just needs to be edited. Leave a like, comment, you know the drill. I won't hold you any longer. Peace out.